I want to tell you one more important example. Evaluate limit extending to 1 x plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 plus x raised to the power n minus n upon x minus 1. In fact, this minus n will play one very important role. I can write this as limit x tending to 1 x plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 plus x raised to the power n. Then minus n I can write as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 n times 1 and divided by x minus 1. X plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to the power n minus, because you know if it is 2 we can write 1 plus 1. If there is 3 we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1. If it is n, then 1 how many times repeated? N times. Now you can check, this become limit x tending to 1, n can be written as x and then minus 1. I can write it as x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Plus if x square and next one, it can be written as x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. And in numerator 1 I can write 1 square or 1, same meaning, plus dot dot dot. And last term will be xn minus 1 upon x minus 1. So what we can write 1? 1 as 1 is to power n. 1 multiplied n times is the 1. In these problems, in these subparts, if I apply the formula of NaN minus 1, I will get here 1. N is 2, A is 1, 2 minus 1. In third it will be 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 plus n into 1, n minus 1. This will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus n. Sum of first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 upon 2. So the limiting answer of this expression at 1 is n into n plus 1 upon 2. One more problem where if limit existed is given, then how to find the value which required in the problem. If limit extending to minus a, x to the power 9 plus a to the power 9 upon x plus a is 9, what is the value of a? This problem seems to be used like this: limit x tending to minus a, x to the power 9 minus of minus a raised to the power 9 divided by x minus minus a is equals to 9. We can compare it with x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a. Answer is n a, n is 9, a is minus a, n minus 1, that is 9 and minus 1 is equals to 9. So this 9 and this 9 will cancel, we will get 1. So minus a raised to the power 8 is 1. This implies answer of a may be plus 1 or may be minus 1. Now one more type of problems based in the limit. If limit is tending to infinity, I take in general that limit x tending to infinity and x to the power n plus, say for example, x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 upon, there is some expression like b x to the power m plus k x to the power say m minus 1 plus dot dot dot. So there are two algebraic expressions. The degree of numerator, here degree of numerator is what? N, and the degree of denominator is m. Degree of numerator is n, highest power, and the degree of denominator is m. And especially if limit x tending to infinity. There are three cases. If n and m are equal and suppose the coefficient of this is a, then answer of the problem will be a upon b, that is highest power term of numerator upon coefficient of the highest power, that is equal power in numerator and denominator. If exists, then a upon b. Second situation is if degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, then answer will be infinity. Third, the last, if degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, then answer of the problem comes out to be 0. So if this kind of problem exists, that limit extending to infinity and some algebraic expression, or you can say polynomial, is numerator and in the denominator, then you have to go to check their degrees. If their degrees are same, then answer will be the coefficient of highest power term in numerator upon coefficient of the highest power term in the denominator. If numerator's degree is more than the denominator, answer is directly infinity, and if it is less, then answer is directly 0. I will take an example to explain you this question further why it's so.